Hello everyone. So here you can see I'm not able to access my Ansible client 2 using the default port. So instead of 22 port, let me try to access with 2222. Now it is allowing me to access the same client with different port. Let me come out from here, and this is my Ansible client 2. Let me check the SSH port. So here you have to use the ss command -tlnp grep ssh. Now SSH is listening on port 2222 and sudo ufw status. So earlier this command was not running, so it has installed this package and also set the rules. And let me first elevate my privilege, and also let me increase the font size. Now I'm going to check what all the changes has been done on the SSH configuration file. So here you can see it has added this entry, that is port 2222. So DevOps user account is also created on my system. So coming back to the PPT, let's see what all we have done. So we have created a DevOps user account. We have also set the time zone to Asia, Kolkata. We have enabled and configured the firewall to allow only custom port. And also we have changed the default SSH port from 22 to 2222 and also restart the SSH service. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.